Malawak yung lupain namin dito sa Butig. Mayroon pa kaming source na tubig na pwede mairigit sa mga lupain namin. Malawak yung lupain namin na pwede pagtaniman ng mga high value crops.
Maginhawa naman yung buhay namin dito sa Butig. Nakakapag-aral yung mga bata ng maayos. May kabuhayan naman yung mga magulang nila. Kahit may mga konting kaguluhan, nakakasurvive naman kami ng mga tao dito.
Napakalaki po ang challenges after the last siege ng Butig. The extent of damage is really enormous.
Every time we would have meetings with donors, we would always share the story of Butig. I think that is what creates a compelling call to action. One of those organizations who responded to that call and was interested was British Council. British Council shared their program on community policing, and we felt that community policing is a model that could be applied in Butig, particularly in the aspect of protecting education assets and making sure that the community is taking part in protecting those assets.
Based on the learning and the insights that we gained through the Community Policing Project, we shaped the Safe, Cohesive and Just Communities Project, ACHSC, which seeks to increase peace, safety and prosperity for at-risk and marginalized communities. Our aim is to enhance local governance through improved interactions among civil society, police, local governments and communities to strengthen social cohesion in areas such as the municipality of Butig.
One of the purpose is para malaman ng mga tao na the project given to him is their own. Parang nakapacitate yung mga tao, including the stakeholder, na pangalagaan yung mga programs.
Mas lalong nadagdagan yung kaalaman namin. Yung tulad ng paano makuha yung sympathy ng community dun sa programa ng PNP to maintain peace and order.
Natutunan namin kung paano i-utilize yung mga resources na meron kami, kung paano i-address yung mga pangangailangan namin, at kung paano namin mapapangalagaan bilang isang community yung mga tulong na dumating sa amin, especially sa education.
Andoon ang mga prevention, andoon ang communication, settlement, maggawa ng ordinance para malaman ng mga tao na hindi pwede gawin ito, labag yan sa batas.
Sa panig naman ng local government unit of Butig, ini-improve namin ang strong functional local government unit to complement all these efforts ng bawat sektor na gustong tumulong sa amin sa Butig.
Together with the LGU Butig, marami po kami ginagawang SIMO activities dito para mas lalong mapabuti ang peace and order dito sa Butig. Pag mapayapa ang Butig, mas marami pong basic services ang mga kapasok at mas marami pong may hikayat na organizations na maaring makapagdala ng development sa Butig.
We are very much thankful sa kanila. This will be the beginning. We are assuring the different organization who help Butig na pangalagaan namin yung mga proyekto na naibigay nila sa amin.
This is, I think, a beautiful partnership we have with British Council because the shared aspiration is really grounded on the community aspiration. And the work that we do, the work that British Council does, complement so that we're able to contribute to that shared aspiration of the community.
Hindi kaya ng isang sektor lamang ang pagsugpo ng anumang problema. Kaya yun ang isang reason kung mayroon po kami narating sa ngayon. It's a result of the collaborative efforts.
Marami mang nangyari dito sa Butig na natili kaming matatag sa tulong ng mga organisasyon. Mas na-inspire kami na bumangon muli at ipagpatuloy ang aming pamumuhay.